I grew up in church with a Christian family. My mom told me that when I was 3 years old, I said the sinner's prayer and asked Jesus into my heart and accepted Him as my Lord and Savior. But the moment that I really remember grasping what that meant and really accepting that what it meant to follow after God and accepting Jesus as Lord and totally surrendering, I was 11 years old, and I knew that what I was doing, I knew that the decision I was making was for the rest of my life, and I really had a good understanding of what that meant. And my first year in college, I was a children's pastor. There was a church that was looking, and my home children's pastor, Pastor Jimmy Hicks, had a friend that needed a children's pastor, and he made the connection, and I, as an 18-year-old girl, became a children's pastor. And so this brings me to what Journey has done for me personally, and that is my faith has never grown so much in all of my years growing up in a Christian family, growing up in church, growing up in ministry and under ministry, and to be where we're at today. I have never relied on God more in my life than I have in this time. That is really what Journey has done for me, is my faith has just exploded in God, and now I know beyond a shadow of a doubt, no matter what my job is, no matter what I'm doing, that He's going to sustain and He's going to provide and be our support and be the only thing that I need. That I don't have to rely on a husband, I don't have to rely on my credit score, I don't have to rely on a job, I don't have to rely on anything, that He will provide for us. So that's what Journey has done for me. My name is Jacqueline Lapine, and I am Journey.